So pleased to have you here today again at oko.jo_mattv. Please, today I want us to look at how to square any given number at all, a trick on how to square any given number. In my previous lesson, you were taught on how to square a two-digit number. Is that okay? Now, the method or the trick I'm going to use here today is what I call the base system. Is that okay? Now, I'll be looking at raising 10 to any given number, multiples of 10, right? So I have things like what? 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Is that okay? We are going to be using this base based on the number given to us here. Now, the first thing I want to start with here is 13 raised to power what? 2. Of course, 13 raised to power 2 is so easy before, but we need to start from there, then we build on it. Is that okay? So now, 13 raised to power 2, what I should be doing here, I'll split a 10 into 2 parts this way. Is that okay? 13 is very close to 10, so I'll be using what? Base 10. Now, the difference between 13 and the base is what? 3. Having done that, I should add this 3 and this 13. So 13 plus 3 is what? 16. Is that not so? Now, to my right hand part, what I should be doing is to square the difference that I have gotten. So 3 square means 3 times 3, and you have 9. Now remember, we're dealing with base 10, so we have a single 0. So all of our target will be looking at how to add these numbers based on the zeros we're seeing. So now, since a single 0, 9 is very correct to stand in the place value of what? 0 there, which is the unit. Is that okay? Then this 6 will come down, then 1 will come down. So the square of 13 is 169. Is that okay? So on the quick note, let's move to the next one. The next thing I have here is what? 17 square. So I should still split it into 2 parts. Now the base is 10 because 17 is very close to 10 and it is to what? 100. Now I have what? 17, and the difference is what? 7. Now I should add the difference to the number given to me. The number given to me was 17, and the difference is what? 7. Add it. 7 plus 7 is 14. So write 4, carry what? 1, and 1 plus 1 is what? 2, 24. Now to my right hand part, I am squaring the difference. So 7 square means what? 7 times 7, and you have what? 49. Now again, you have 2 digits here, you have 2 digits here. You can't write 2, 4, 4, 9. Taking it away from the given number. We're subtracting the base from the given number. So 95 will be here, then minus what? 100. So your answer will be what? Negative 5. Is that not so? Now, at this point, I am supposed to add the negative 5 to what? 95. So what I have here is now 95 plus negative what? 5. Exactly, and my answer will be left with 90. Are we together? Because this minus will eliminate this plus, so it will be 95 minus 5, and you have 90. Now at this point, mind you, I need to put it in bracket because it's carrying negative, all square. Is that okay? That means 5, negative 5 times negative 5. Negative will cancel itself, so your answer is what? 25. Now I have what? 25. Is that okay? Now the good thing here is that this is 25, and to base 10 we have 2 zeros, right? So the 25 will sit on the 0 as it is. 25, exactly. Then bring down this 0, bring down this 9. So your answer is what? 9025. You can see how simply it's going. Now let's go to the next one, which is the last one. D, and D you have what? 120 all square. Is that okay? I should split it again into equal parts. Now I have 120, and the closest base, even though it is already above 100, the closest base is still what? 100, because it's not close to 1,000 yet. So I am taking away 100. Now 120 minus 100, I will have what? 20, right? then I should be squaring the 20 here. Is that okay? Now, the next thing is 120 plus the difference we've got in 20, we have what? 140. If I'm not mistaken, yes. Now, when you square this, it simply means to double this 0. Is that okay? Then 2 squared is 4. So you have 400. Now, what do we have here? We still have 2 zeros. Is that not so? So now, these 2 zeros is permitted or are permitted to be standing there because they are taking the place of these 2 zeros. Is that not so? So this 4 plus this 0 is what? 4. Then bring down this 4, bring down this 1. So your answer is what? 14,400. Now the same thing is being applicable when you have an assumed number very close to 1,000. Let's say 982 is very close to 1,000. So you should be using 1,000 instead of it. So having understood this, can you please quickly help me solve this one? Let me add it here. Let me add it here. Let's say 45 square. 45 square. And solve this using this method and leave your answer at the comment section. And if this video has helped you in any way, please help me like, subscribe, and comment for me. Thank you.